In this video, let me show you how to adjust the speed compensated volume on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the settings button located right here at the upper right of the screen. Then let's find here the sound and tones right here. As you can see now, you've got access to the following menu. Choose here the sound. Now you can scroll down and here you should find speed compensated volume. This function counterattacks ambient road and wind noise while driving. Using a numerical scale, you can choose how aggressively the system automatically turns your music volume up as you speed up the highways and brings it back down when you slow down to or come to a stop. So you can decide from the off to the maximum level. I think the maximum level here is 5, so you can decide how much you would like to compensate your volume. I think 2 is the best for me, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.